afternoon. Once again, we are looking at reasons that we should believe that God exists. This is my reason, number 3. That is, we have no other explanation for the origin of human life. One of the most pressing questions that we have in the field of biology is, where did life come from? There has been a lot of observation and a lot of study, and it has become very clear that life did not just simply come into existence from non-living matter. There isn't any scientific evidence that supports the idea that life can emerge purely through random processes. Despite decades of research, significant gaps remain in knowledge about how life might have come into existence. And when we think about it, attributing that process to mere time and chance doesn't seem to work. It turns out that an intelligent mind seems to be a far more reasonable response. Now, there are some biologists that see very clear signs of design within biological systems. Michael Behe, who has proposed the idea of irreducible complexity, and Stephen Meyer, who has looked at DNA and seen that it is a form of code, if you will, both suggest that these interesting findings are related to an intelligent source as opposed to random chance. Now, there are a number of scientists who do not support this viewpoint and believe solely in evolution or neo-evolution. So why is that? I think one of the beliefs may be a simple prejudice. They've been raised in a system that has lifted up Darwinism and neo-Darwinism, and we find that there's a resistance in people to change viewpoints. So it may be that intelligent design is being resisted because it doesn't fit within the framework that has been taught over the past decades. Evolution itself may be useful in explaining how some changes occur within species, but they cannot come to an understanding of how life began through evolution. First of all, when life began, there is no evolution to follow. That is the beginning of everything. Secondly, the mechanisms of evolution simply aren't useful in the study of how life began. So this is where intelligent design offers an alternative hypothesis, suggesting that intelligent causes better explain the emergence of complex life. Evolutionary theory, while having good, solid empirical support concerning species diversification, doesn't do well when it tries to explain the origin of life. How life arose from non-life through random processes remains an unsolved mystery. While evolutionary theory, once again, it can explain changes across time, it struggles to elucidate how it all began. In contrast, intelligent design offers a credible alternative, positing that life's complexity points towards the involvement of an intelligent mind. Now, critics of intelligent design often dismiss that due to loyalty to existing scientific paradigms, but still, as more gaps in the evolutionary model emerge, intelligent design offers a strong and credible hypothesis, and that hypothesis deserves our serious consideration. So that is reason number 3 why I believe there is evidence that God exists. Number 4 will be following shortly.